Hi, this is the Business Guy. So why do people ask you to subscribe to their YouTube channel? And what's the benefit to you? Subscribing to a YouTube channel is a convenient way to receive instant updates from and keep track of the activities of your favorite YouTubers. And best of all, it's free. It's a useful way to stay informed and connected online. But what exactly are the benefits the subscribers get from it? Let's go ahead and find out. So here are the 5 benefits of subscribing to a YouTube channel. Benefit number 1, stay updated with new content. Why wait to discover the latest news about your favorite YouTubers when you can be updated right away when they publish new content? By default, subscribing to a YouTube channel means you'll automatically get notifications about the highlights from that account. You can also choose to receive instant updates every time that channel uploads a new video. You just need to click the notification bell. Another way to stay on top of what your favorite YouTubers post, on your subscriptions page, YouTube shows you day by day all of the new content that has been uploaded by the channels you subscribe to. And since we're on the topic, it would really be silly of me not to ask you to subscribe if you haven't already. I really want to see you again, so let's be friends and see each other more often. Subscribing is free, and if you like, you can also click the like button below. It'll help me out a lot. YouTube will promote this video a lot more when you do. Thanks so much. Benefit number 2, you're served with a lot more of the content that you like. YouTube operates much like Google. Well, of course, it's owned by Google, as you know. This means that when you subscribe to a particular channel, you're further giving the algorithms an idea of what content that you want to see. For example, if you're into doing better financially, you likely want to see videos on business and investing. You likely don't want to see videos on how to knit baby blankets. So more videos on financial topics will tend to show up toward the top of your YouTube feed. So it saves you time, and time is money, so it's better for you. And yes, that can include content from channels on the topic that you're not subscribed to or haven't even visited before. Now keep in mind that YouTube is a search engine. This means that the more you search for a particular topic, person, channel, brand, or product, the higher the chances of seeing those videos closely related to that search. Like Google and Facebook too, YouTube is really good at showing you exactly what you want to see. Benefit number 3, get notified when new videos come from creators you like. When you subscribe to a channel, YouTube lets you know when your favorite YouTubers upload new videos, a weekly summary of your subscribed channels, and other options, depending on your preferences. And you get notified faster after you click subscribe below if you click the notification bell as well. This gives you instant notifications when new videos are published. Benefit number 4, you get to access and build relationships. With over 2 billion users worldwide, YouTube is an incredibly powerful place to engage with individuals who have the same interests as you do, from all over the globe. When you subscribe to a channel, you immediately get to enjoy the access to that YouTuber's community. And you do this by communicating down in the comments section below the videos. And from there, you can connect with other users, recommend related videos, establish friendships, and perhaps even collaborate on making your own content. Of course, you can still communicate with people down below if you're not subscribed, but when you are subscribed, you're more part of the community, and you'll be more likely to have more communication with people of similar interest down in the comment sections. And while we're at it, I highly recommend being positive and encouraging others in the group. And when you provide consistently positive feedback to others, this often comes back to you with friendships and encouragement coming back in your direction. Many YouTubers ask viewers to contribute or share their opinions or ideas down in the comment section, and they're trying to drum up excitement, encouragement with a sense of community. When utilized positively, this is an opportunity for you to learn something new or satisfy your curiosity by engaging online in discussions with other subscribers. Benefit number 5, you maximize your learning. YouTube, as you know, is an immensely educational platform with channels carrying all kinds of information. And as a subscriber, you get to gain new insights and keep yourself updated with what's new with the channels you subscribe to. Whether it's tutorials, reviews, news, DIYs, how-to tips, or general videos, brands and influencers use YouTube to position themselves as experts in their fields. Some even offer detailed explanations, examples, and solutions to people's problems. In addition, the platform has multiple features including subtitles, video descriptions with links to downloadable content, timestamps to direct the viewer to certain parts, all promoting consumer experience and optimal learning. Subscribing to a YouTube channel certainly offers a number of benefits, not only for the creators, but also for the viewers. You get to stay updated with the latest on your interest, easily get served with related content, and even get email updates if you prefer. Additionally, you learn limitless new information and get to connect with people from all around the world. So go ahead, please tell me what you think in any of your comments below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and please show you care by giving a thumbs up below. See you next time, my friend. This is The Business Guy.